Hi all, today we will learn about split command. Using this command we can split the file into multiple files and we can transfer the file from one location to another location. We use this command for files which are very large in size. So let's see ls-l. We have file 1. Let's see the content file 1. Okay, we have this content and we have a file anaconda.cfg. So if I use split and a file name, so this command will generate a file using a name xaa, xbab, xac. So let ls-l. You can see xaa got created with the same size because this is not very much large file. It is just 1823 KB file. So it's not creating multiple file xab, aa or ac. So that's why it's created only one file. So in this manner you can create a file, but if you want to split, so I am removing this xaa, otherwise it will get overwrite. I don't want. So we have multiple split. Okay, I will mention -b bytes or megabyte or kilobyte. So I am using 3 bytes per file. And the name of that file anaconda.cfg, ls-l. So if you can see, it created multiple file. All the size is 3 bytes. So we got xxj. So ls-l 5 grep ls-l. Then what we are doing, x star, all the file is starting with s name, and we are going wc-l. So we'll get the number of, so we have 6808. So 608 file got created in this with the name of x. So if you want to join all the files, you can join it, but before that I am removing this all the files. I have to show something else to you. rmx. Okay, it will prompt you for each and every file, yes or no. You have to press for every file, or else I am controlling C. I'm ls-l. Still more file are there. rm minus r x. So still you will get this recursively. So if you use rm minus f forcefully x star. So now all the file starting with x got deleted. So I am doing split. Okay, now we have split. Now what we will do, we will split by line. So we'll take a small file like I have file 1. So this is having, let's see, line number nl. How many lines are there? There are only 9 lines. So what I will to do, I will split this using line number. So -l for line, 3 line each file, and file name. Okay, file 1. So we got 3 files, xa, xab, xac. So if you see xcat, xaa, cat, xab, and xac, all are having the content. So in this manner you can transfer the files one by one to other location. And how you can join that? For joining this, cat xaa, xab, xac, transferring the content to file 2. So what we are using, we are reading cat xaa file, ab, and okay, should be xac, not ab, ac file, and redirecting that output of this cat command to file this as an input. So it will get right in a file 2. Now we'll read cat file 2. See, it's same as a file 1. So we split that file and make another file. In this manner you can split the file and transfer to a different location and you can again join that all the things. Now what we have, if I use split hyphen line number 10 line for Anaconda, so it will not, because by default it's creating 3 character XAA XAB files. Let me show you. ls-l. Okay, we have used 10 line, we have to use more lines. rm x star. Okay, so now I will split Anaconda file with line number. So first let me see how many lines are there in Anaconda file. It's having 57 lines, so that's not enough for this. Okay, split hyphen L 1 line Anaconda file. So now we have XCL, but this is a 3 character only. So after some time this character will get finished and this data will get overwritten. So if you want to extend of this, okay, what we call this prefix. If you want to extend the prefix of any file, what you will do, first I am removing rm-f, all the file which are starting with X, removing that hyphen L. So we will generate more file. So split split hyphen a prefix. Okay, by default is a 3 character XAA XAB. So I am creating 4, or we can use 5 Anaconda. So it will create only 1 file because size is very very small, but character is XAAAAA. So we have 5 times A, 2, 3, 4, 5 times A. So this A is defining how many character you require, prefix you require in a file. It's not a prefix, it's a postfix after a file we are getting, because XAA in the name we are giving. So in that, if you are having very large file, very large in a size, so you will split that file in a multiple manner, and using this command, if you have a very large file, you can split that using split command, and you can define how many sub file will we get created using this split command. Okay, so we can split using a line. If I use split using line number split hyphen L 1 line per file and Anaconda file, so it will create lot of file. See, and if I use this, and I will use hyphen A option as well, A 4, so we'll get 4A after X, ls hyphen L. See, they're creating like file AAA and JI, so it's creating in a simple manner. Okay, so I'm removing rm-f x star. Use this command very carefully. If you forgot to put X, so it will delete all the files containing this directory. So use this command very carefully. Don't use this in a productions. Okay, so in this way you can use the split command and join using cat command, which I show you. Cat file 1, file 2 and file 3 in a file 4, like content of these 3 files in this file 5. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next session. Goodbye.